please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys. Hello there ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm here with another video. This is Firoz Khan. Welcome back to my channel Positive Attitude. So far we have learned how to make out some of the local Goan mangoes. You know how Malkurad looks like. You know how Hapus looks like. Hapus, in India we call it Hapus. Worldwide it is known as Alfonso. So we know how it looks like, right? So this is another kind of mangoes which are known as Furtat. So far you know Hapus, Malkurad, Musrad and Pairi. If you haven't watched those videos, please check in my videos. Alright, I have explained how those looks like. And these varieties of mangoes are known as Furtad. Alright, I wanted to show you outside how the tree looks like, but because of the sunlight the video won't come good. Alright, as you can see here, because of the sunlight the video won't come good. So to show you all the mangoes, how it looks like, how to make out the difference between all the mangoes, it's a bit difficult, but still I managed to show you 4 varieties. So these varieties, I guess I am taking it in my hand for the first time. So even I haven't tasted it before. So now you know that these are known as Furtad. You remember, right? Alright. So what mangoes are these? Oops, this is empty, right? So maybe the guy, there is one guy with me who will going to put mangoes in this. So you have to make out which mangoes are these. Alright, here we go. Okay, just imagine guys, try to think which mangoes are these. Are these Malkurad? No. Hapus? Alfonso? No. Pairi? No, these are not. Musrat? No. Furtad? Oh, oops, yes, right. These are Furtad guys. Alright, these are the same mangoes. I was just trying to test you. Alright, so whoever have seen it carefully, maybe they have given the right answer that this is Furtad, right? Good. So far slowly and steadily we are learning how the mango looks like according to their shapes, their color, their size. Now we know, and what it is called, the stem, the shape, according to which we will come to know the variety of mangoes, right? There are many variety of mangoes. So I will going to bring more variety of mangoes. Alright. And normally as I had told you before that if it is Malkurad, then you can cut it like this. You can break the stem like this if it is Malkurad, right? So the guy who is sorting out these mangoes, he's a new guy. So in the beginning I haven't told him how to break it, so he break it like this. This, if we break it like this, then there will be not a good texture, what it is called. After it gets ripe, it won't look that good. You can see some stain because of this. This is known as in Konkani, in my state language, this is known as dig. This one, something which comes out is known as dig in our state language. I don't know what you call it in English. Alright, so why I was showing you this is because you shouldn't break it like this. Only Malkurad can be break like this. Otherwise rest all the mangoes you have to break it like this, in this size, the stem. And after it gets ripe, when you arrange it in the basket, that is the time you can actually break this and you can arrange it. then it's no problem, because right now there is a dig, something which is called dig. So because of which you will going to see a stain. So later on, once you start arranging in the basket, at that time if you break it, no problem. Alright, it will going to look clean. Alright guys, so I hope in this lockdown you are learning a lot of things. Most of the people are learning how to cook. Alright, so there are many other things which people are learning. It's good that always we have to learn in our life, and not only during the lockdown, but even after the lockdown we have to keep learning. You know what guys, I am born and brought up in Goa. People who are from Goa, mostly they don't know all the names of the mangoes. That is only because of their interest. If you take interest, then you can learn a lot of things. My friends from Goa, like most of my friends from Goa, because of their request, I am showing this variety of mangoes every time in all my videos. Otherwise, I have started this channel specially to take interviews of the successful people from Goa. But that will also come soon, as I have spoken to some of the successful people in Goa who are successful in different fields. So I will going to bring them in front of you. I will going to take their interview as well after the lockdown. Maybe, let's see how far this lockdown will going to continue. Alright, so now in this video today you have learnt this variety of mangoes which are known as furtad. Alright, furtad. So we have to use this cloth so that there is no marks on the mangoes, because if we don't have cloth, then the mangoes will going to touch directly to the metal part of the vehicle, which will going to give marks to the mangoes, which is not good, which doesn't look when it is ripe. Alright, so that's it for today guys. I hope you are enjoying your days no matter what are the situations, but we always have to think positive. Alright, and be positive. So you take care guys, have a good day, and bye for now. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you guys.